These are acoustic wall panels from Wood & Sound which were sent for review. They come in this box, packed in plastic, that's good. Each panel is about 48 by 24 inches and 0.4 inches thick. Right away I wanna say they look awesome. The wood looks warm and it is contrasting with the black acoustic foam. This is great combination, it is practical and looks a lot better than just plain black acoustic panel. This would improve your room or studio significantly, both acoustically and aesthetically. I'm gonna be using them in my home office setup and will compare the sound before and after. To install a wall panel, you peel the plastic from the back side and there is a pre-applied adhesive which sticks great to the wall. Make sure to keep everything straight and it is pretty easy. After only 3 panels, the room looks completely different. And I want to point out that the panels combine with each other very well. No gap at all, it's even hard to find where they connect once they're installed. Of course they improve the acoustic a lot. Here's a sound test before and after. Huge difference for recording. I installed 3 panels and the echo is almost gone. Definitely check them out.